India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi met Austrian President Alexander von der Bellen in Vienna. Both leaders held talks and discussed several issues of mutual and global interest. This is as part of the one-day state visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Austria. This is the visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the last prime ministerial visit after a long gap of 40 years. Both the leaders discussed issues of mutual and global interest. The day also saw bilateral engagements between both the sides, India and Austria, agreeing to raise their partnership to a strategic level. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit also comes in the backdrop of New Delhi and Vienna celebrating 75 years of diplomatic relations. And this visit is the first by an Indian Prime Minister in over 4 decades. Earlier today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that the shared values of democracy, freedom and the rule of law form the bedrock upon which the two countries will build an ever closer partnership. Prime Minister Narendra Modi earlier met Austrian Chancellor Karl Nehammer, and both the leaders looked forward to elevating ties. So, India and Austria have agreed to raise their partnership to a strategic level. Delivering a joint press statement with his Austrian counterpart in Vienna, India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that both nations have a shared belief in values such as democracy, and that mutual interest and shared trust further strengthen this relationship.
हमने निर्णय लिया है कि संबंधों को स्ट्रैटेजिक दिशा प्रदान की जाएगी। आने वाले दशक के लिए सहयोग का खाका तैयार किया गया है। यह केवल आर्थिक सहयोग और निवेश तक सीमित नहीं है। इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर विकास, इनोवेशन, रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी, हाइड्रोजन, water and waste management.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that India and Austria emphasize dialogue and diplomacy to resolve conflicts over the world. He said that India is ready to give any required support for it.
मैंने और चांसलर नेहमर ने विश्व में चल रहे विवादों, चाहे यूक्रेन में संघर्ष हो या पश्चिम एशिया की स्थिति, सभी पर विस्तार में बात की है। मैंने पहले भी कहा है, यह युद्ध का समय नहीं है। समस्याओं का समाधान रणभूमि में नहीं हो सकता। कहीं भी हो, मासूम लोगों की जान की हानि स्वीकार्य नहीं है।